Walking after 50 isn't just another exercise, it's the real secret to staying healthy. It strengthens your heart, sharpens your mind, improves blood circulation, and can even add years to your life. But many people don't realize that it's not just walking that matters. The way you walk is just as important. Small daily mistakes like poor posture, walking too fast or too slow, or putting too much pressure on your joints don't just harm your knees and spine. They also reduce the benefits of walking. Today, we'll go over 7 common walking mistakes people over 50 often make, and most importantly, how to fix them so walking truly becomes a powerful, health boosting habit. And here's a tip: mistake number 7 is the most common, and you'll be surprised to learn how many people do it. After 50, your body naturally starts to change. Muscles gradually weaken, joints become stiffer and more painful, metabolism slows down, and blood circulation isn't as efficient. These are normal age-related changes, but staying physically active can slow down many of these effects. Walking is especially effective because it activates multiple systems in your body at once. Regular walking helps your heart pump blood more efficiently, keeps your muscles strong, maintains joint flexibility, and increases blood flow to your brain, which supports memory and mental clarity. Research shows that people who walk daily have a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cognitive decline. But these benefits only happen if you walk correctly and consistently. Unfortunately, many people unknowingly make mistakes while walking. Let's dive into these common errors and learn how to fix them for maximum health benefits. Mistake number 1: starting too fast. The first and most common mistake is starting your walk at full speed. Many people take off as soon as they step out the door, but at this stage, your feet and joints are still stiff, your muscles haven't warmed up, and your heart rate can spike suddenly. This puts unnecessary pressure on your feet, leads to joint pain, muscle strain, and early fatigue. Walking this way not only reduces the health benefits, but can also cause harm over time. The best approach is to start slowly. Spend the first 3 to 5 minutes walking at a comfortable, easy pace to let your feet and muscles warm up naturally. Gradually, as your joints loosen and your muscles get ready, you can increase your speed. This small habit prepares your body properly, reduces stress on your joints, and ensures you get the full health benefits of walking. Your muscles stay strong, joint pain and tension decrease, and your energy, stamina, and confidence remain high. Mistake number 2: poor walking posture. Another common mistake is walking with bad posture. Many people slouch their shoulders, lean their head forward, and look down at the ground. At first, it seems minor, but over time, this can cause neck and upper back pain, shoulder tension, and even make breathing harder. When your head leans forward, neck and upper back muscles work harder and tire quickly. A hunched chest also limits lung expansion, reducing oxygen supply and lowering your energy and endurance. The solution is simple. While walking, imagine a gentle string pulling your head upward, keeping it aligned with your spine. Relax your shoulders and slightly roll them back so your neck and upper back remain stress-free. Let your arms swing naturally with each step. Keep your gaze forward, not down, to maintain a straight neck and back. This natural posture allows your lungs to expand fully, increases oxygen intake, and helps your body move efficiently. By walking with proper posture, you turn your walk into a full-body wellness routine. Muscles, joints, breathing, and energy all work together, and you reap the long-term benefits of regular walking. Mistake number 3: using the wrong shoes. The third most common and very important mistake is wearing the wrong shoes. At first, shoes may seem like a small detail, but they have a huge impact on your walking experience and overall body health. As we get older, protecting our joints, providing comfort for our feet, and having proper cushioning become even more essential. Without these, knees, hips, lower back, and feet experience unnecessary pressure, pain, and early fatigue. Many people continue wearing old shoes that no longer provide proper support, while others choose shoes based only on appearance, color, or style, ignoring comfort and stability. Walking in the wrong shoes increases joint pressure, strains your feet, and makes walking harder, which over time can lead to pain, swelling, and reduced stamina. An ideal walking shoe has three key features. First, enough cushioning to absorb the impact of each step and reduce stress on your body. Second, good arch support to keep your feet naturally aligned and evenly distribute your weight. Third, a flexible sole that allows your feet to move naturally, making walking smooth and comfortable. Replacing old or worn-out shoes on time keeps your feet and joints healthy, makes walking enjoyable, and ensures you get the full benefits. The right shoes don't just make walking easier, they strengthen your body, joints, muscles, and stamina, allowing you to enjoy long-term health benefits. Mistake number 4, walking too little during the week. Another common mistake is walking only occasionally. For example, some people take one long walk per week thinking it will be enough to stay healthy. But the human body responds best to consistent movement. Daily or regular walking signals to your muscles, heart, and metabolism that physical activity is part of your everyday life, improving strength, stamina, and circulation. If walking is only occasional, the signal is weak, and the body doesn't get the real benefit. Instead of one long walk per week, taking short walks multiple times is much more effective. Even 20 to 30 minutes on most days can make a huge difference for your heart, joints, and muscles. Consistency is key because your body adapts to habits that are repeated regularly. Regular walking increases energy, improves stamina, keeps your body fit and active, and becomes a simple habit that supports long-term health. Mistake number 5, not using your arms. Many people walk with their arms hanging straight down, barely moving them. This reduces the benefits of walking, burns fewer calories, and affects posture. Moving your arms naturally while walking is very important. When your arms swing naturally, they help balance your steps and activate upper body muscles. This means more muscles work, blood circulation improves, and more energy is burned. Arm movement also enhances walking rhythm and stability, making your walk smoother and more comfortable. You don't need exaggerated arm motion. Just let your arms swing naturally, elbows slightly bent, keeping pace with your natural walking rhythm. This simple habit makes walking easier, more effective, and balanced, allowing you to get the full health benefits. Mistake number 6, walking while looking at your phone. Modern technology has created a new walking mistake that didn't exist before, constantly looking at your phone. This habit affects both posture and focus. Tilting your head down increases pressure on the neck and upper back and causes shoulder tension. Plus, when your attention is only on your phone, you lose awareness of your surroundings, increasing the risk of slips or losing balance. Walking should be a time when your body and mind connect with your environment. Keep your phone in your pocket or bag, look around, and pay attention to your breathing and steps. This makes walking safer and more enjoyable. Mistake number 7, ignoring recovery. The last common mistake is ignoring recovery. Even after a light walk, your body needs hydration and gentle rehabilitation. Muscles work and repair better with water. Light stretching after a walk maintains flexibility and reduces stiffness. Taking occasional rest days also helps the body recover and adapt. Don't treat walking as just a single activity. See it as part of a complete wellness routine, including movement, hydration, stretching, and rest. Walking remains one of the safest and most effective exercises. You don't need expensive equipment. It can be done almost anywhere, benefiting your heart, muscles, mind, and metabolism. The key is to walk mindfully and with awareness. Small changes, big benefits. Small adjustments in posture, pace, and consistency can dramatically increase the benefits of walking. Walking isn't just about speed or competition, it's about creating a balanced habit that keeps you healthy for years. While walking seems simple, done correctly, it becomes one of the most powerful health habits after 50. Now I want to ask you, how long do you like to walk every day? 10 minutes? 20 minutes? 30 minutes or more? Share your answer in the comments below. Thank you for visiting the channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and if it's your first time here, subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.